what's up guys, it's Cubing Entertainment and you are watching the part 2 of cube solving tutorial. So let's get on to the video now. So in the last part I showed you how to get 4 edge pieces on the yellow side, but we were only halfway to finish the white cross. The completely solved white cross will look like this. All the white edge pieces were surrounded by the white center. So let's do that. So take the cube with the white edges already on their bases and turn the third layer until the second layer white color matches the center piece. It will look like this. White and green piece, this green completely matches its center color. Then we turn the front face, this face, twice to move it to its place. It will look like this. We should do the same for all the edge pieces. So after you finish that piece, turn the cube so to face the other side. Then you should match it. And then turn this face twice. Solved. And turn the cube. Turn the third layer until the front color matches, the center color matches the edge color. Now the second color of the white edge matches it. And then you should turn the front face 2 times. Turn its place. Then turn the cube. Rotate the third layer until the piece is on its place. And then turn this layer 2 times. Same. Now it's on its place. And now the white cross is finished. If you cannot do that, then you may done something wrong. Then you should rewatch the part 1 video. After the white cross has been done, the next step is to solve the whole white side on the first layer. So let's do that. So after finishing the cross, we flip the cube so the white looks down and the yellow side faces up. Just like the beginning, it's exactly the correct position to solving the cube from now on. So next thing we need to do is to find corners with white color on the third upper layer. So these are corners. All of them have 3 colors and one of them should be white on them. So let's have a look. Here we have blue, orange and yellow. We didn't need it because it does not have white on it. We have white, red and blue. It is the piece that we need because it has white on it. So this piece is located on the up face and the right side. So it is ready to be put on its place. So to do that, first we need to have a closer look on the colors it has. Red and blue. Red and blue does not match with red and green. So we need to keep turning the first and the second layer until our corner would fit. Green and orange does not fit red and blue. Red and blue does not fit orange and blue. Red and blue, that's the color that we need. So now we can put the corners on its place. To do that, first we need to repeat that little algorithm I taught you in the previous video. Let's remember it. R, U, R prime, U prime. Again one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. So the corner is where we need it at the moment, on the top and between the matching center pieces. So now we can do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. Do the same until the white side is on its place. This corner piece is on its place. Right, up, right inverted, up inverted. Do it one more time. Or U or prime, U prime. So as you can see, 3 times was enough to put it on its place, and it matches the colors of all of its neighboring colors. That means it's where it belongs. So we should continue to look for white corners on the top face. There is no white corner here. Here as well. And here is a white corner. So our task again is to find a place where it will be surrounded by the centerpieces. So here we have orange and blue. So we put it where the centerpiece are. So we need to find the blue and orange centerpiece. So now we should put it on its place. Blue orange surrounds blue and orange. Next, after it's on its place, we do that algorithm. Right, up, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise. You can see one time was enough this time to put this piece on its place. So now let's move on to the next piece. This piece has orange, green and white. So this piece that we need it. It's already matching with its center colors. So let's do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. As you can see, one more time, one time is enough to get it on its place. So let's move on to the next piece as well. Red, green and white. This is the piece that we need, and it's already matching its colors. So let's do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. One time is enough to put it on its place. So now let's see some more scenarios for this. So now there is no white, no white, no white. So top right does not have any white here. That means it is going to be at the bottom. So it's on here. So here it is. All we need to do is to move it up. How to do it? Use the same algorithm. So let's do that. Right, up, right inverted, prime. And now it's on the up. You know what you should do? Do the right hand algorithm. Or U, R prime, U prime. It's on its place. It's not on its place. So do the same one more time and see. Or U, R prime, U prime. It's still on its place. Do it one more time and see. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now we can see it's on its place. Let's see some more situations you might encounter. You already know what to do when we don't have any white corner on the top. It means it's on its bottom. But sometimes when you see it's not on the bottom as well. Then the face is also done correctly. Let's see if the layer is done correctly. Orange matches orange, blue matches blue, orange matches orange, green matches green, blue green, but it does not match it blue and red. Blue and red does not match it red and green. So you can see that these two pieces needs to be swapped. So that means these corners needs to be moved up and needs to be put in between the center pieces. So we move them with the same algorithm. It has been moved, and then we should check the colors. Red and blue doesn't match red and green, so we should match it. Face it at the right, then do the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. It's not on its place, so do the same one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. Still it's not on its place. Do the same one more time. Not on its place one more time. Still not on its place one more time. Now we can see it's on its place. And continue with the next one. Red and green doesn't match with blue and red. Red and green, it is matching. So do the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. And in one time, it's on its place. So now we already have the first side and the first layer done. Next we need to finish the second layer, but it is for the next part of this tutorial. So thank you for watching this video. If you cannot solve the white face on the first layer, please rewatch this video. I am sure that you can do it. So I will catch you on the next part of the tutorial. Bye.